In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Looker Studio dashboard with Supermetrics. We'll walk through the exact flow to connect your data and get a report ready, with clear tips to avoid the common snags people hit the first time. Start by opening Looker Studio and heading to Create, then Data Source. Think of a data source as the pipeline that feeds your charts. Getting this part right ensures everything else in your dashboard stays reliable and easy to maintain. Next, in the connector gallery, use the search bar to find Supermetrics connectors. Supermetrics provides a wide range of marketing and analytics connectors, so filtering your view by that provider will save time. Confirm you're selecting the official Supermetrics connector by checking the provider name, and remember there are different connectors for different platforms. Choose the connector for your platform, such as Facebook Ads, by Supermetrics. Pick the one that matches the data you want in your report today. If you manage several platforms, it's perfectly fine to start with one now and add others later as additional data sources. The core process will be the same each time. Click Authorize to sign in with your Supermetrics login. You'll be prompted to grant permissions so the connector can read the data you choose. Make sure you're using an account that has access to the right ad accounts or properties. If your organization uses single sign-on, follow that route. Never share your credentials. This process is secure and handled through the Supermetrics authorization window. You'll then see a setup screen. Here is where you configure accounts, filters, and report parameters. Select the specific account, property, or ad account you want to analyze. Keep initial filters simple. Start broad so you can verify data loads correctly, then refine. Set your default date range, time zone, and currency to match how you report, and choose any necessary parameters that determine how data is pulled, such as breakdowns or segments. Giving your data source a clear name can also help you recognize it later. If you're unsure about a filter, leave it off for now and you can narrow down in the report. When everything looks right, click Connect, then Create Report. Connect establishes the link and loads the available fields. Create Report opens a new report with that data source attached. You'll land on a blank canvas with your Fields panel ready, so you can immediately begin building charts and tables. If data doesn't appear as expected, revisit the data source setup to adjust accounts, filters, or the date range. That's the full process to get your Supermetrics-powered data into Looker Studio and ready for reporting.